Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have 2015 Fiat Doblo, stock number 5986. This ran from the 12th 2014 to the 12th 2020. Has a 1.6 litre turbo 4-cylinder diesel engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is the 1.6 litre turbo 4-cylinder diesel engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Front bonnet no dents. Left front guard no dents. Left front factory steel wheel good tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Rear tailgate doors no dents. Right rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right rear sliding door no dents. Right front headlight needs polish. Right front guard no dents. Right front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console. Automatic gear shifter. AC controls. Factory single stack CD player stereo. Interior mirror. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory vinyl steering wheel with some wear on top. Instrument cluster.